That's right, kasama po natin ngayon ang ating best player of this ballgame, FO1, Mecca Magsino of the BFP Lady Firefighters. Congratulations sa inyong kupunan. Mecca, alam ko baguhan ka lang sa kupunan ng BFP. Kamusta ang experience mo joining in the UNTV Volleyball League? At kamusta yung pag-a-adjust mo also with the team?
Maayos po yung pag-adjust po namin sa team kasi po naipakita po talaga namin yung teamwork po namin and yung enjoyment po namin sa loob ng court na kahit first six, second six, kaya po namin makipagsabayan.
Alright, and a second question ko, mahaba-haba pa yung itatakbo ng ating torneo. But as a player, ano yung gusto mong matutunan throughout the UVL Season 3? Ano yung gusto mong ma-improve as a player dito?
As a player po, gusto ko pong ma-improve dito is yung kung last time po, third po yung place po namin. Ngayon po, gusto po namin na mas maiangat pa po namin yon. Hindi lang po sa first runner-up, kundi po yung champion po yung aim po talaga namin ngayon.
That's really the goal of the BFP this season. Alam ko marami kang gustong batiin dyan. Go ahead with your greetings.
Yes po, marami po akong gustong batiin. Unang-una po yung OIC po namin, Fire Chief Superintendent Jesus Fernandez, and also the command group, our snappy officers, Ma'am Belo Chavez, Sir Arbutante, Ma'am Angot, Ma'am Manes, Sir Peñas, BFP NCR command group, Sir Tarosa, Sir Banyaga, Sir Guerrero, Manila, Pasig, Quezon City, Mandaluyong, Batasan Fire Station, Unilab, Meralco coaches, training and support staff, at sa lahat po ng kasamahan ko sa Parañaque Central Fire Station, lalo na po dun sa hepe po namin, si Fire Superintendent Sir Bayna po, and sa TL ko po, Sir Jemar, Sir Tops, at lalong-lalo na po na nagpapasalamat po kami sa Panginoon kasi po nakuha po uli namin itong panalong to. And happy birthday po sa Lola ni Ma'am
Happy
Gang.
birthday, Lola! I love you!
Ayan, maraming salamat and congratulations, and because you are our best player, you receive a gift back coming from our sponsors. Okay, may pahabol pa sila. Go ahead.
Happy 27th founding anniversary ng Special Rescue Force sa mga brothers and sisters namin. Thank you! Happy 27th! Yes!
All right, congratulations once again to the BFP Lady Firefighters.